What's that?
Oh!
Ariana. Ellie. Eng. What's that? Ala. It's you. Yes, it's you. Here, here.
Lẹo lẹo.
That. Ellie, Eliana. Yay! Clap, clap, clap. Clap ka rin na. Want more? Ah!
Insurat Miguel Green Sumaya. Itiwat direksyon, Leti Asubilio Aquino. Manipo de Lovelet Artist and Talent Center Drama Productions. Isagsagot ka na kayo di number 1
Here, oh.
and most trusted radio network in the country. Bumbu Radio Philippines.
No, ah?
Basta
Ah! Mom, mom. Mom. Ah, mom, mom. Mopay, mom.
mula noon hanggang ngayon. Universe 2000. Sa loob ng 10 taon, laging una.
That.
Naman ang bago at trending na balita.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really... Ano favorite na kanta niya?
Dawit sa labas.
Kanta man? The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round. Pagkas ang kamot to eh. Akin yung eraser. Akin yung eraser ah. Okay.
Ate. Yang ikat. Ate, yang ikat deh. Sama. Yang ikat.
Anya kas tayo ang divide, 1 na times.
Nya ka divide X.
Hindi, yung divide. No.
Aji start kina dito dito.
Ajay, lesson yun?
Itay.
What's that? What's that? It's Eliana. Yay! Hello. Hello.
Oh. Ate.
Magandang umaga, Pilipinas. Sa namang oras na sinusuri ang bawat isyu at ang katotohanan. Kapag lumabas kung sino ang nagsasabi ng katotohanan, kaya naman
Ouch.
kahit sa ang sulok ng Pilipinas, luto
Happy.
ang numero 1 sa isip at puso ng
Ate.
bawat Pilipino. Maraming salamat sa
Mali.
Nya.
Hindi ko alam ang sarang mo. Basta lang yan.
pagtitiwala at
Yang sir.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Ate.
Yay! Paano mo nalaman? Kasa na? If you're happy and you know
Oh,
it, clap your
sunod.
hands.
fully digitalized. Numero 1 sa balita.
Out!
Ate. Yung sunod.
Bigyan mo nga siya ng...
Ate. Alam mo na dyan, ate.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye.
Ate.
Bye-bye.
Ate. Ate.